Hi, my name is Walden Clark, otherwise known as Bishop Brad in the music industry. I'm also the proprietor of RT3 Hammond Organs. Today I'm popping into Abbey Rd Studios in northwest London to pick up one of their vintage Hammond organs to carry out some extensive repairs back at my workshop. Mind you, this is no ordinary Hammond organ. In fact, this organ was made famous by the iconic group, the Beatles, who used it on many of their recordings. As mentioned earlier, I'm the proprietor of RT3 Hammond Organs, which specialises in vintage Hammond organs and Leslie speakers. Our aim and motto is to preserve vintage Hammond organs in a modern world. The services we provide are service and repairs, restorations, sales, rentals and performance hire. I also wear many other hats, including music producer, arranger, songwriter, music director and musician. I've worked with many different artists in one or more musical capacities, that being musical production, songwriting, live performance, studio recordings and touring. So here we are back at the workshop, getting ready to carry out some extensive repairs on the iconic RT3 Hammond Organ and 122 Leslie speaker. Before I get started, I just want to take you through some main components within the organ and the Leslie. Wow, it's rather dusty in here, but that's okay. We'll get it all cleaned up and looking nice. Okay, so in the back here we have the main component, which is the tone generator, this block here, and then to the right we have what is the starter motor, to the left we have the run motor and the synchronize unit, and then this baby here is the preamp. So moving across to the Leslie speaker, we have the upper horn rotor, the driver, the upper motor, lower motor, the speaker, the lower drum rotor, the main amp and the reverb amp, and not forgetting the crossover unit in the back. Okay, here we are, the moment of truth. I'm going to start up this beast of an organ, see how she sounds. Hopefully there won't be too much work for me to do. So without further ado, here we go. Ready? Oh dear, not sounding good. Not sounding good at all. Looks like I've got my work cut out. Oh well, let the fun begin. I started my musical journey at the tender age of 7 years old, and by the age of 20, I progressed to learning to play the organ. After having lived in Los Angeles, California for over 10 years, my style of playing has since developed, and I have adapted the West Coast approach to my playing in terms of style and sound. So today is the day I'm returning the organ and Leslie speaker to Abbey Rd Studios after carrying out extensive repairs and rebuilding of components. Speaking of which, I have a very special surprise for all of you. Have you guessed it yet? Yes, that's right. I'm about to showcase the organ and Leslie. Hope you enjoy. Organ and Leslie sound is fully restored to its former glory. Wow, she sounds amazing. If you enjoyed this video and would like more information on our products and services, feel free to visit our website www.retrohammondorgans.com.